Hey, are you an SSC examinee and are you thinking how you gonna pass your time after the exam effectively? Then this video can help you to find a good solution. Hi everyone, this is 𝐒𝐩𝐨𝐤𝐞𝐧. I'm the moderator of Prime English Academy, and today I would like to talk about the benefit of spoken English course here. So, in a world where communication knows no boundaries, mastering the art of spoken English opens doors to endless opportunities. Many individuals face challenges expressing themselves confidently in English and limiting their personal and professional growth. Prime English Academy is a leading institution dedicated to empower the students with the essential skills of spoken English. Through our course curriculum, the students can face a transformational journey and unlocking their multitude of benefits. Mastering the art of spoken English opens doors to a world full of career opportunities, enabling individuals to excel in global workplace. Our program equips students with the confidence to participate actively in public speaking, empowering them to improve their performance and build confidence. With our course curriculum and interactive sessions, students build confidence in their communication skills, empowering them to improve their performance. So join us at Prime English Academy and unlock your potential with our spoken English program. Let's embark on a journey of growth, success and opportunities. Assalamualaikum everyone.